And I have used a lot of pearls in my embellishments, like you can see, back from the Zardos, which is from the ancient Nizami culture. And the pearls, of course, because I'm a debutante at Lakme, and I want to depict my city in some form. And Hyderabad is known as the city of pearls. So that's where I started off. That's my whole inspiration.
Thank you, Divya. Accompanying Divya is the gorgeous Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa, I would request you to tell us about how you feel in this outfit and how is your experience on the ranch.
Well, since the collection is called Alluring, I hope I'm alluring enough. I take it as a huge compliment that she chose me to be the showstopper, and I congratulate Divya Reddy on this. She's on the threshold of a new beginning, and I'm here to congratulate her and support her. I think she's really bursting with talent, and I'm very pro young talent, which is the reason I'm here.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Please use mic. वो audio नहीं बना.
सिर्फ एक ही तो पूरा वापस बोलूँ अब. हाँ आ गया ना.
Moving on to Priya. Request you to tell us a bit about your collection and the inspiration behind it.
My collection is inspired by this painting of a French artist called The Song of Deborah. So it depicts, it represents women who are independent, free-spirited, someone like a very contemporary version of Deborah, because the painting is pretty old. So.
Thank you so much, Priya. Moving on to Vineet and Rahul. Could you please tell us about your collection and the inspiration behind this?
The inspiration behind our collection is Mother Nature, and so is the collection called as Sundarban. I think we have been taking too much from the Mother Earth these days, and we're on the extreme side of it. So it's time to pay tribute to her. And so everything was inspired by nature. You could see all the flora, fauna, everything was a part of it. And we took inspiration for the royal tigress, who is the present day woman today. And yes, it's all about adorning her. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can I request you all to just come in the front for a photo? Yeah.
So I just, okay, I think it's working now. Okay, this one or that one? So, like you can see, I mean, the one person I really want to thank right now is Shilpa, because I'm a debutante, and this is my first time at Lakme. And the moment I showed my outfit and the moment we approached her, she was so kind enough to just say, don't talk anything, I'm doing it. So I think that for a debutante like me is so encouraging in a new city like Bombay. It's really, really overwhelming. Thank you, Shilpa.
Most welcome.
That's great to hear. Thank you, everyone. And may I please request for now to come to front for a photo?
हाँ बोलिए, लेकिन जब आप बैक स्टेज थी, आप कितनी नर्वस थी या एक्साइटेड थी बटरफ्लाई एग्जाम में वॉक करने वाली थी?
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई मेड इट फॉर दिस शो, क्योंकि मेरी फ्लाइट 1 घंटे पहले लैंड हुई. क्योंकि मेरी मैंगलोर की फ्लाइट, मैं मैंगलोर में थी और मैंने 9 बजे की फ़्लाइट लेनी थी, और कैप्टन के ईयर में इन्फेक्शन हो गया, तो दैट फ्लाइट डिडंट टेक ऑफ. सो द फ्लाइट गॉट डिलेड फॉर 2 hours, एंड I've never felt palpitations, not for myself but for Divya. I was like just praying and hoping to God that I make it, because I couldn't possibly leave her in the lurch. तो भगवान की दया से मैं पहुंच गई. I actually just wore the outfit. मेरे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और मेरे हेयर ड्रेसर ने दोनों ने साथ में कुछ आधे घंटे में मेरा मेकअप किया और मैं आ गई. पता नहीं, there was no time to think. So I was already on stage in half an hour. But I'm happy it all went well, and I was able to. I hope I did justice to this, to her collection.
Okay, ma'am. Divya जी, कौन से collections आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है जो आपने पहना या उसको छोड़कर भी और?
Honestly, जैसे कि आप जानती हैं कि उनका ये पहला शो है यहाँ पे मुंबई में, और मैं बहुत बार चलती हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए जो ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़े डिज़ाइनर्स हैं. एक्चुअली उनको मेरी ज़रूरत नहीं है, और I just feel that the people who need encouragement are, designers who are just starting out. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैंने हाँ कहा, क्योंकि वो वाकई में बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, और हमारे कंट्री में बहुत टैलेंट है. जो मेरे आजू बाजू बैठे हुए हैं सारे बहुत टैलेंटेड डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि उनको इनकरेज करना मेरा भी फ़र्ज़ है.
मैम, जैसे कि ब्राइडल कलेक्शन है, तो
सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे दिव्या की कलेक्शन की ये अच्छी बात लगी कि it was all very young and fresh, whether it be in terms of colors, cuts, जो काम भी किया हुआ था, जैसे उन्होंने कहा है कि उन्होंने पर्ल का बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किया है क्योंकि शी हेल्स फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. मुझे वो बहुत अच्छी बात लगी कि ब्राइडल कलेक्शन होने के बावजूद बहुत भारी भरकम काम नहीं था और बहुत हैवी ड्यूटी नहीं था, यू नो, इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट. नहीं तो नॉर्मली जो ब्राइडल आउटफिट्स होते हैं वो बहुत हैवी होते हैं. तो एक्चुअली मैंने हाँ इसलिए कहा क्योंकि बहुत लाइट आउटफिट था.
लास्टली आपको सबसे ज्यादा बॉलीवुड में स्टार किड्स में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है?
स्टार किड्स?
हाँ.
स्टार किड्स?
हाँ, लाइक वरुण, न्यूकमर्स, श्रद्धा, आलिया.
वाई पुराने वाले नहीं? हाँ, सैफ अली खान. I think Saif is really well dressed, and he's got his own original style of, you know, fashion. Yeah,
Okay,
that makes any sense. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
But I don't think it's definitely going to take like at least 15 minutes buffer period. We're not starting on time anyways. Especially the big ones, the big shows. Yeah. 15.
हाँ. कौन पूछ रहा है सवाल? कि मैं खुद ही पूछूँ? हाँ.